Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I am going to share how to do glass painting. You would require a 3D glass liner and glass painting colors. You can use water-based or without water-based. I will also share a link in the description section so that you can click on the link and purchase these products. I have already shared a video on my channel about glass painting. This is the second one, and in the days to come I'll share few more videos. If you do not know drawing, then you can use this technique. So today I'm going to share a very simple design for beginners. So I've taken a bowl and I used black liner and made a simple design and kept it for drying for more than 8 hours. And once it completely get dried, then you color it. So after coloring again, you have to keep it for drying, and this is now ready. So it looks really beautiful. If you have like this containers in every room, then you can keep it on your table, and if you want to keep your small items into it, you can do that. So I hope guys you love this video. If you have any question, leave me a comment. I'll be more than happy to respond. Take care and stay a healthy and fit life. Thank you guys. Happy day.